the Nanoleaf Remote and everything it does. The Nanoleaf Remote is a sleek controller, and with its minimalist design, it's the perfect decor piece for your home. But it's not all looks. The remote allows wireless control of your canvas and light panels, allowing you to seamlessly switch between scenes without having to pull out your device, unlock your phone, and tap into the app. But it doesn't only control our lights. You can also use the remote to control all the Apple HomeKit products that you have in your home. The Nanoleaf Remote has 12 different sides, and you get to decide what each side does. You can program each side to do one thing, or up to 5 things. It's completely up to you. With the Nanoleaf Remote, you can transform your entire space with one turn of the wrist. So let's say you're trying to get cozy and watch a movie. You set side 11 on the remote to your movie night scene. So change to side 11, and you'll see your lights change to a color to complement the mood, and your noisy fan will turn off. Perfect for movie time. One of the coolest features of the remote is brightness control. Simply rotate your remote to brighten or dim your lights. No cords, wires, or attachments. It's just kind of magic. Not feeling a movie? Okay, maybe it's time to do some work. Turn your remote to another side, let's say side 2, to turn on the bright, be productive scene, and maybe turn on your humidifier so your eyes don't dry out while you're staring at the screen. You can program each of the 12 sides for 12 different moods and occasions. What did I say? Magic.